Hi, Ryder. Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxing, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing today. We have the 69 Chevelle. This is a 2021 Hot Wheels casting. 69 Chevelle X-Raycers. That's the actual name of the casting because they have a lot of 69 Chevelles. For Hot Wheels, X-Raycers, number 1 out of 5 for 2021. In blue. International Packaging GTB 29 with a 2020 copyright. 77 out of 250. Alright, well, let's just get it open. See what we got here. Nice clean open. Hi, Ryder. Those wheels spin well. They wobble a little bit. There you go. It's a plastic top with transparent wheels. Those are PR5s. Sweet casting. White interior, you can look in there. All the top is plastic. Here's the base. 2004 copyright on the casting. 69 Chevelle. N42 is the base code, so that determines when it was made. N means the month, I think, and 42 is the week. I'm not sure about that. Let me know in the comments below, but all that bottom is Diecast. Thanks for watching today's short video. Subscribe for more.